haven't done a video like this in a while where I just put the camera on my head and you'll see what I see. So this video will just be me combining one hopper load and then unloading the corn. So that's what this video will be about. I don't know how long it'll be. I would imagine it's somewhat lengthy. Shouldn't have any edits in it unless I like cuss or something and I want to take it out. But yeah, and I'm facing away for the sun, so there shouldn't be any sun glare. Now idle it down, get to the grain tank camera, turn the machine on, turn the head on, and open it up. My first combining of the year. Dad has been combining since like, I don't know, 11 or so. There's about 10 acres, 5 miles down the road. There was a storm that went through in September and like 75-mile-an-hour wind, and a lot of it got tipped over. So that was the first field we got done, or he got done, him and Roger. And I was at school then. Just to make sure you get it picked up before, you know, a windstorm goes through again and knocks it over worse than it is. I really don't blame it on the variety going down. That's pretty strong wind. The neighboring corn got tipped too, so worse than ours. So doing about 2.4 mile an hour. I still haven't figured out this harvest track system yet. I'm big. This is the part I need to look in the book. Like, where do you put this dial? Plus, minus? I don't know. Otherwise, it says we're losing nothing. If anything, it says we should go faster. But yeah, I don't know. And then this monitor right here, that thing hasn't been calibrated. And the whole time we've owned this combine since 2014. They're bunching the head up. Huh. I know Dad was saying something about a slip clutch we gotta fix tomorrow, one of these row units. That must be the one. There it goes. I remember what I was saying. Oh, and this moisture's wrong too. We really need a moisture tester, which I wish we had one. I don't understand why we don't, but we just don't. And then I could calibrate the moisture. Then with weigh wagon, I could calibrate the yield. But I think we are going to get a weigh wagon sometime this fall. So even know the moisture of this corn right now. It's go time. Like, this is the latest we've ever started combining corn ever, so it is what it is. I'd probably say it's 25, 26. We'll test it maybe tomorrow. It is supposed to rain in the morning, so, but it's sunny in the afternoon, so we might be able to combine in the afternoon when it's done raining. This is DeKalb corn right here. I don't know the number. I believe it's 105 day. We have longer day. That stuff we chopped, that was 107 day, and then we have 109 day as well. I think we have like 99 day up north, but we want to get our drying bin full to get it drying. We have a batch dryer, so fill it, then you run gas and the fan heats it up and dries it. Not a continuous flow like a lot of the big farmers got. But it works. Usually we'll do about 4 go-arounds. Last year was the first year we did 4 go-arounds, and I think we're gonna do 4 again. It seems to be yielding decent. I wouldn't say record yields though. Cleanest sample, but it ain't too bad. It just has some leaf material in it. Either way, we're keeping this corn ourselves until we get our harvester full. Our harvester holds 11,000 bushel. We'll transfer it from our drying bin into the harvester. So we're gonna grind this anyway for our own cows. At least I think that's the plan. Who knows? Everything changes fast. Right in the center, just seems to plug up. This 6-row is way better than that 4-row we had. I hate a combine with the 4-row. 30-inch rows are way better than 36. It'd be funny if I talk to myself for however long it takes to combine this and I forgot to turn the camera on. That'd be pretty funny. Huh. His dad didn't go all the way down the row when he opened it up. This hayfield we got sprayed off. I don't know if you can see those flags out there. We marked out all the waterways and stuff, and then CPS came out and sprayed it off. I guess they call it nutrient ag solutions now. So next year these strips will be corn, and this one will be seeded down into oats, I believe. We might do a triticale pea mixture and then chop it in June. I'm not sure. We usually change our minds about 20 times before we actually decide on something. If you look at these rows, each row gets taller and taller, and then the 5th and 6th are consistent all the way up. This outside row had a lot of weed pressure from that hayfield all summer. There's like no ears even in there. All the birds and deer just eat it off. There's a couple in there. I think I need to turn the fan up to blow them leaves out. Wet 1300. This thing's only set at 1000. I'll raise it There's no one to come catch me with a wagon, so do it the old-fashioned way. That's what we usually do. Wow, I just really screwed that up. That's why I'm a combine driver, not a combine operator. Wow, I'm gonna do the same damn thing going around this corner. When you don't combine that much. You don't know much about it. Most days I unload, but not today. I don't even think we'll make it to the other end of the field. Just starting to come in that window up there. We'll at least make it to this waterway down here. I don't know if we can make it back up that hill or not. Yielding too good, I guess. That's a good problem to have. End of the field. That might help. I really got hit by the disc vine. That's why it's not there. Gone. Be able to make it. Take another look when I get around this corner. Yeah, we're gonna send it. Tipped a little bit, I guess. Yeah, we'll be fine. Combine's going uphill now. Pushing it towards this camera, there's plenty of room there. There's end rows that go up and down here. I gotta get those off, but we can do that later. Take it easy. Hopefully we don't spill any. better since we don't like track anything. I just reset it at the beginning of the year and just count everything as like one field. It says we got 12.6 acres done so far. So harvest time 2.9 hours. Productivity 4.4 acres an hour. Guess that's alright for messing around, opening the fields up. Okay, this combine's going into second gear. We'll never get there. You gotta just get it just right. There. To the top is what it looks like, but I made it to the end. My next row, even though it won't be on this video, where I had to go from the second pass in to the first, I'm just gonna skip right up to that, so it'll be even across the end. Then I'll do the end rows and come back until I'm full. So yeah, I was thinking about this video all week when I was sitting in school bored, like, you know what, I haven't done anything, like back in 15 or 16 when I first started messing around on YouTube. Like, I just throw the camera on my head and see what happens. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you think I should do it again, or just, you know, not, I guess. Now, I'm not sure if this video will come out first or my more edited video will come out first, where I fly my drone or whatever. Obviously you'll know by now, because I already made the start of that other video and I said this one you're watching right now will come first, but now I'm starting to think about it the other way around will be better. It's the drone footage is just pretty cool, I think. So yeah, this alfalfa here would be considered fifth crop, I guess. But we cut this a month ago and it grew like 6 inches, so yeah, it's already sprayed off. Like I said earlier, I think it was sprayed off yesterday or 2 days ago. And we sprayed manure on it, which we did some up there. You already saw that video, and we'll be chiseling it. So you want to park that wagon somewhere in the middle? I don't know if he has his radio on or not. Park right there, might as well unload. Can't get much better than that. I don't know if you can see that screen there. That's what my camera sees, the halo view cameras. See all them leaves in there? Turn the fan up, I'll be able to tell this next hopper if it made any difference or not. Because I don't see stalks or cobs, I just see leaves. So then again, what do I know about a combine? Nothing. Wow, by the time this thing's unloaded, it'll be 22 minutes. one hopper load for you. Would have been quicker if I didn't have to drive all the way half mile on the other end of the field. Oh, good thing it's kind of windy to blow them leaves out of there. Well, the center isn't quite as dirty. This combine holds. I know it says on the letter, I think that's 206 bushel or something like that, with the grain tank extension up there. Here we are. Well, that's the end of the video. Let me know in the comments if you would want something like this done again for like chisel plowing or manure or something like that. Anyway, catch you next time.